So hello everyone, welcome to the Lake District. In this video we are going right up there because this is Scafell Pike. Looks fun. We've come from all the way down there. Enjoy! So yes, in this video we are going to be climbing none other than England's highest mountain. It's just over there. At the moment it is a little bit covered in clouds, but we are climbing the most popular, the shortest, the most direct route from Wasdale Head. But first, let's just check out what's behind us because we're just on our way, 10 minutes away, and we just had to stop because this is Wast Water, which is none other than England's deepest lake, and it is spectacular. So it's actually 76 feet deep and it is a glacial lake which was formed during the last ice age. So let's drive 10 minutes down the road and start our hike. So we have arrived at the car park in the shadow of the mountain. It's actually colder than expected at the bottom, so we're expecting it to be very cold at the top. Are you ready to begin, Ellie?
Yep.
Let's do it. We're the first crazy people we've seen today in this weather. Now, what are you doing going up there? It's a heavy rock. So we have actually only climbed one mountain previously in the Lake District, and that is Helvellyn. We climbed it about 3 years ago now, I think. It was an amazing climb, it really was. I mean, we went up via the famous Striding Edge, which was absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this is our second Lake District peak we are completing. Well, we'll see, we haven't on the top yet. We were warned that as we cross this river, if there's been a lot of rain, it can get difficult to cross. There's not much of a crossing point. I can see where the stepping stones were, but let's give it a go. See if I can get to that other side and be dry. I made it!
You went a different route than me.
Did I? I didn't.
I went lower.
So, little update, we are around 2/3 almost of the way there. We're still following the river. We've almost lost sight of Wast Water because we're heading around the corner. We're still going up constantly, and I think we can see the top finally. So that's good. That's not a comfortable seat. Why are none of the rocks ever flat?
I'm
too much to ask. I'm just gonna, I'll look this way. So, it's rest time. We've been going for around an hour, but we are almost there. I think after, with another 40 minutes of walking from here.
Probably, I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so.
You hope so.
My legs are getting sore now because it's been a while since we've done any like up walking.
Yeah, it has. I mean, not too many mountains recently, and this mountain is a real leg pummeler.
Yeah, I mean last time was in Switzerland, but it wasn't as hard, but it was much longer.
You look so sad.
It's cold. You like my sandwich? It's pepper and ham.
My legs are burning. My calves are on fire, but just get there. We're actually getting close to my favorite bit of every mountain hike, and that is the bit where you finally emerge over the crest and get to see for the first time the view on the other side of the mountain. Just nothing can compare to that feeling, and that's the thing that always gives me that last bit of energy to get to the top. I feel like I'm on the set of Lord of the Rings though, right? Snow! I was going to say this is our first snow of 2023, and then I realized that we saw some in the middle of July in Switzerland, which was very unexpected. But here you go, second snow of 2023.
Oh yes, flatness.
It's like a gift.
Yeah, just at the top. We made it.
What do you have to say?
It's very windy. And we have such beautiful views as usual.
Yeah, the clouds do keep parting and we just get little glimpses of the view. And it's spectacular when that happens. Beautiful, even with the clouds. Right, I'm gonna sit by England's highest point right now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Eat.
Yeah,
Have
eat.
a bag of crisps.
We have crisps to choose from, or maybe the trusty cheese sandwich. At England's highest point with some of England's finest cuisine, with some of England's best weather. Job done. Yeah, no, I mean, we are literally some of the only people on this mountain. We have barely met anybody on the way.
I think we've met 5 people in total.
Yeah. How long did it take us to get here?
So we started at 20 past 11 and I think we got here at 20 to 2.
So 2 hours, 20 minutes.
2 hours, 20 minutes,
Yeah.
yeah, which is not bad. I mean, we're not in our peak fitness, but yeah, still good.
So at this point, I just want to say, I hope you've enjoyed our mountain climb. I'm trying not to blow away. Please do consider watching the rest of our Lake District series. We have seen so much. Yes, I'll see you in the next one. And goodbye. My microphone fell off. That's how windy it is. We have to get back down now. That'll be fun. I'll film on the way down, but we're going the same route, so